Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the different panel types available in OnPing's dashboard. In OnPing, you have the power to create three types of panels: the widget panel, the dashboard link panel, and the link to external link panel. To kick things off, put the system into dashboard edit mode. Do this by clicking on the Edit Dashboard button. Hit the Add Panel button where we can see our panel types. First, the widget panel. This panel is like the engine room of OnPing, hosting every piece of content you see on the platform. It's the fundamental building block that shapes your OnPing interface. Moving on, the dashboard link panel. Think of this as your ticket to creating mini sites within OnPing by linking several dashboards together. You'll have a list of available dashboards based on your permissions. Choose one, pick an icon. We often go with the link symbol. Last, the link to external link panel. This panel features dashboards pre-configured by the OnPing team, packed with a wide range of functionalities. The most popular links include the alarm log, alarm creator, call order, user settings, and parameter masking. Here's a handy tip. The first widget panel on a dashboard becomes the default panel that loads when you click on a dashboard link. This feature is often used to design first-page tables that provide site overviews but also let users delve deeper into details through dashboard links. So, there you have it. Stay tuned for more insightful dives into OnPing and make your dashboarding experience a joyful one. Until next time.